Language and literature. Gupta period was the golden period for Sanskrit literature. Kalidasa adorned the court of Chandragupta too. He was one of the 9 gems of the royal court. His most famous work are Abhigyan Shakuntalam, Malavika Agnimitram, Kumar Sambhava, Raghuvamsa, Meghaduta, and many others. Bhasa wrote 17 plays during this period. Vishakadatta's Mudra Rakshas play is also well known. Poet Harisena praised the conquest of Samudragupta. Allahabad Trustees Pandit Vishnu Sharma's work Panchatantra is a famous collection of tales with moral teachings. This period saw the development of literature in Pali, Prakrit, and Tamil language as well. Ramayana and Mahabharata were translated into Tamil. Science and technology. The contribution of Gupta period in the field of science and technology has been no less. Astronomy, astrology, mathematics, medicine, chemistry, and many other branches of science were well developed during this period. Aryabhatta was a great scientist and mathematician of this period. It was he who first proved that the earth moves around the sun on its axis and not vice versa. He had written a book, Aryabhatyam, on mathematics. The book explains the concept of square roots, place value of digits, introduction of zero, decimal system, and also about triangles and circles. Even the eclipse could easily be predicted. Charak, a physician, wrote Charak Samhita, and Shushrut, a surgeon, wrote Shushrut Samhita. Their contribution in the field of medical science is very significant during this period. Nagarjuna was the famous scholar of chemistry. The rust free iron pillar at Mehorli in New Delhi has never got rusted till today. The composition of its alloy is a fine example of iron technology of Gupta period. Golden Age. After going through this chapter, you must have noticed the achievements of various Gupta kings in almost all walks of life. That is why the Gupta period is known as Golden Age of ancient India. It is due to the establishment of political unity, peace, and order. There was unprecedented progress in the fields of art, literature, and science. Gupta rulers made great efforts for the progress of Hindu religions and Sanskrit language. The administration was ideal and hence the subjects were happy and prosperous. Brahmins, scholars, saints, and women were respected in the society. Aryabhatta, Varahamihira, Nagarjuna were the more famous scholars of this period. Students from faraway places came to study in the University of Nalanda, Kannauj, Taxila, Ujjain, etc. Gupta rulers encouraged the development of agriculture, industry, and trade. They also introduced coin made of silver and gold.